Quick update from Skull Manufacturing. You can see, I think everybody has seen this, maybe not in place, but it's needs cleaned up. This is the CNC machine that we purchased from eBay. It's just a large tool room lathe, 26-inch capacity, I think. We have some of our cabinetry from Dress It Rand, the American lathe. Greg, thanks for taking such good care of this. We will do the same. Got a lot of things to move around. Yeah, this is where we're at. This is May 8th, 2022. That vector sign right there. That will be converted to our Skull Manufacturing sign. So that's pretty exciting. We actually have Spectrum here today. They're putting the line, putting our internet in. Today, while he's doing that, I'm going through the lights and taking out all the bad ones, organizing the good ones. We'll end up replacing them all eventually, but I'm just trying to spread out the light evenly. Got a lot of carts. It's all auction stuff you see here that you didn't see previously. This cart right here. Boy, this thing has such nice wheels on it. I'm telling you, such nice wheels. Dan did a little bit of framing here, a little framework for our shop shitter. So that's good. Almost ruined this office area trying to fit cabinet in this area here. It's 8-foot ceilings, and yeah, that cabinet is 8 foot and 1/4 inch tall. Yeah, this here's going to be our we have a stone tabletop for this. This will be what houses all of our inspection tooling, most of which we acquired, you know, as being machinists for 15 years. Some of which we bought at the auction. Thank you, auction. We got some nice stuff here. We got 2 sets of OD micrometers up to, I think, 24 inch. I think we got our pins, our gauge blocks. Got this kick-ass drafting table. Gotta clean it up. It's backlit. Beautiful, beautiful. Got our new doorknobs and locks on our doors. So any of you guys thinking about breaking in here and having a party, I don't think so. These parents are prepared. And yeah, I think that's all I have new to report. So sorry to my wife for working on Mother's Day. I should be there with her, but you know, the compromises we make, right? So happy Mother's Day to my wonderful wife. Happy Mother's Day to my wonderful, beautiful mother. And once the Spectrum fellow leaves, I will be locking up shop and heading home. So thanks, guys. Yeah, I mean, that way, if we do that, we have someone to answer the call or whatever. What the f? Oh my God. Dude, those Buffalonians come down, they got in. Look at this, they stole our rims. They stole our rims. What are we gonna do? Wow. Nothing is safe in this town anymore. Update. This is going to be our sign. Here it is. Here it is. We're getting new tires on the fork truck today. We're getting head gasket too. Started cleaning up in here a little bit, our office area, our desks. That's where we're at.